Guys, welcome to join my channel EdutechIdea. Friends, in this video tutorial, I will guide you how to get certificate from the Microsoft. Here you can see the URL of the Microsoft website esi.microsoft.com. If you type this URL, you can directly go to the Microsoft Enterprise Skill Initiated programs. You can get here the multiple courses provided by Microsoft, and you can select the particular course as per your profile. And after completion the course, you can get the certificate, schedule the exam. If you crack the exam, you get the certificate for particular you have selected. So let's see, friends. Let's we start a new web video series where we have to guide you how to get the certificate from Microsoft, which certificate required to as per your profile. If you are a IT professional, fresher or experienced, not matter, but you have to upgrade your skills day by day uh, for your career enhancement. So I have enrolled a course uh, in my enterprise, uh, Microsoft Azure Fundamental. I will guide you step by step how to get this certificate. If you are a IT professional and um, interested in cloud computing, then you can select this course. Uh, you can see here the course exam AZ-900 Azure Fundamental and Cloud Computing. So let's see, friends, certification detail. Whatever you are now, you the field are seasonal professional mastering the basics in the Microsoft Azure can help you jump start your career. The certifications validate your basic knowledge of cloud services and how to those services are provided with Azure. Candidates should be able to demonstrate fundamental knowledge of cloud concept along with Azure services, workload, security, privacy, pricing, and support. The Microsoft Certificate Azure Fundamental Certification could be a great fit for you if you like if you would like to prove your knowledge of cloud computing concept models and services such as public, private, and hybrid cloud. In addition to the infrastructure as a service IaaS, platform as a service PaaS, and software as a services. Show your expertise on how Azure supports security, privacy, compliance, and trust. It recommended to have family rights to ensure are the prepared of the exam. We recommended fully understand skill measures, studying the relevant self-paced content. So friends, in this video tutorial, we will goes with self-paced content. I will guide you day to day and learn with you Microsoft Learn, attending Microsoft Azure virtual training, taking a free practice assessment. After that learning, validate our knowledge and understand of the exam experience, get readers trial subscriptions. So let's start, friends. If you get the certificate, you your job role will be administrator, business user, developer, student, technology manager. So let's start this course. I have already started. Describe cloud computing. What is the cloud computing? You know, friends, this module is introduces you to cloud computing. It covers things such as cloud concepts, deployment models, and understanding shared responsibilities in the clouds. Upon completion of this module, you will be able to define cloud computing, describe the shared responsibility model, define cloud computing. These are you can define. Let's start. Introduction to Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform with an ever-expanding set of services to help you build solutions to meet your business goals. Azure services support everything from simple to complex. Azure has a simple web services for hosting your business presence in the cloud. Azure also supports running fully virtualized computers, managing your custom software solution. Azure provides a wealth of cloud-based services like remote storage, database hosting, and centralized account management. Azure also offers new capabilities like artificial intelligence